G'day y'all, Mr. Chapelet, back for another video. We are in the coop. What do you want, Shy? Just like standing on my foot and pecking at my leg. So these are birch shavings and maple shavings. Now they're hardwood shavings. Normally I've been using softwood, so now this is shavings from a planer. So I just wanted to try them out. They're $5 a bag, pretty hefty sized bag. So I was paying $7 a bag, so, and up here it's $12 a bag. So figured if I could save on the wood shavings, maybe stock up for the winter too, because I go through a lot in the winter time. So we're checking, see that? Almost 100% that's a rooster over there. It was just because there's a hen, there's a rooster. Look at the difference side to side. They seem to like it anyway. Nice splash.